for our new vision for prosperous Fiji, prosperous Vanua for better Fiji, we need to engage smart partnership with key stakeholders that relates to the Vanua. And when you're talking about the Vanua, you see who are the major stakeholders that are there in the Vanua that can influence the decision. The chiefs of the villages themselves. We found out that the Methodist Church is one of the key stakeholders that we need to engage with in order to improve the well-being of the ITaukei. Sometimes we share the observation that the village people in most cases follow what the church leaders said from the Vanua leaders. That is because of the belief that we have. So that's why we need to engage them and ask for this partnership in our journey in the 14th province council meetings. And the main issue why we have engaged with the Methodist Church because we believe that one of their key messages into the ITaukei that you cannot be wealthier if you like to be a true Christian. You either be a Christian or you either be a businessman. You cannot do both. And that's the message that you heard from Reverend Swai, confirming that you can do both. So we have a lot of natural resources that we have in our villages, in our Vanua, that we can better utilize so that we can pass the wealth into our children and grandchildren. We need to do it now, otherwise we'll become more laborers to foreign investors that come into our country. That's the big message that we've been sharing in the provincial council that we have attended in the past few months.